I am pleased to introduce our first of 4 finalists for tonight's challenge. Vernon Spalagic is an inventor based out of Prior Lake, Minnesota. He has invented a prototype of a pet product called the Catboxpro. This is designed to be a fully self-cleaning litter box that flushes used litter automatically. This is a startup business concept that is anticipated to meet the needs of pet owners and be marketed through chain pet stores. Please help me welcome Vernon Spalagic.
Well, thank you. My name is Vernon Spalagic, as Joe introduced. I am the inventor of Catboxpro, and I would just like to tell you a little bit more about Catboxpro right now. So Catboxpro is a fully self-cleaning, ultra-reliable, automatically flushing litter box. There is only one other in the world. Catboxpro is the second one. In 2014, we made our first working prototype, and this is what it looked like. And it was a little too big for us, so we set out, well, actually, let's see how it works first. So what's really important to note is that the entire litter box gets replaced instantly and ultra reliably with brand new sifted litter. And it gets flushed. That's the flushing mechanism. Ultra quiet, fast, 30 seconds per clean. But in 2018, we said we could be faster, we could be even slimmer, and we could make it even simpler. So we redesigned it from scratch, and this is what we came up with. This is the prototype that's standing right here. It is, it uses natural corn-based litter, which is flushable, and it's a consumable good. It's a consumable good. Whether you own the Catboxpro or not, you have to buy cat litter. Okay? We have 3 provisional patents, one on the method, the second one on the composition of matter of the litter, and then there's a third provisional patent that we have, and that is on the lifting mechanism of how to get granules back up. So this is the way we compare to our competitor. Number one is in size. If you see, here's a Coke can for size comparison, and that's the Catboxpro. And I have a sample here. Coke can, and it's exactly 4 6/4, I believe. The second way that we compare to our competitor is time. We get our litter box clean in just 30 seconds. Cat Genie, which is our competitor, takes 30 minutes, during which your cat can't use the litter box because it's flooded with water. The other way that we compare is that we have eco-friendly litter. Cat Genie uses plastic granules. Not good for the sewer systems, not good for the environment. Because they say it's biodegradable. I don't believe it. I've never seen it dissolve in anything. And Catboxpro uses natural corn-based litter. So, for the future, we would like to set up manufacturing in Scott County. we would like to produce the Catboxpro right here in Prior Lake. We would like to employ about 20 to 40 workers, everything from shipping and receiving to assembly to workers to office work like accounting and stuff like that. And we would like to be a worldwide brand. And that's my presentation.
Great, thank you, Burns.